Hawaiians don't just love their history, they live it. Through customs, cuisine, art, and dance, stories come to life, and life becomes a story to tell. So today, I'm exploring one of the oldest forms of Hawaiian expression, the hula. Ah, this is wonderful. I'm so excited to be here. I heard you are the master of hula. I had to come for a private lesson.
Thank you. Well, I'm so happy to have you here with us. Hula has been taught way back in the 100th centuries. In the olden days, only men used to dance as practice for when they used to go out for war. So the men used to do all the dancing. And then when it came in the earlier 1800s, that's when it started, women dancing.
Wow, I didn't know that. So hula was really a dance to prepare for the men to go out to war.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's two different types of hula, ancient and awana. Ancient is more back in the past and more of the Ipo style.
Is that what we're learning today?
We are. We're actually going to learn basics.
Oh, I like that. What are the first moves?
Well, the first move is called the kaholo, which is a side-to-side motion.
Okay.
So all we are actually doing is we're going to be stepping to the right, and it's a 1, 2, 3, and point, and then we move to the left. 1, 2, 3, and point.
Ooh, a simple step, but it was a little challenging. Let's try it again.
Yeah, so let's try it with the Ipo.
Okay.
So you actually have the beat to the step.
All right.
So hands on our hips.
Yes.
And we bend our knees. And it's to the right. Left. Right. And left. So that is the basic.
Very nice.
So the next basic that I normally teach is called the Hula. So we slightly bend our knees and we do right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back. Perfect. Good job.
Wonderful. Let's see if I remember.
Actually, I want to show you another move
Oh, another
too.
move. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So you want to actually bend your knees.
And why do we bend down knees?
It gives you the more definite movement of your lower body. So what you want to do is this new one is called the ami.
The ami.
So what you're doing is you're actually rotating the hip
Okay.
to the right. So that is called the ami.
And I think with that grass skirt, when you see the girls, it's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
So the ami, and what was this step to the side?
This is the kaholo.
The kaholo.
And the other one is the hela.
The hela.
So we'll start from the kaholo into the hela, and then we're gonna do the ami.
Oh, I hope I can do this. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna throw an intro first, okay?
Okay.
And then we'll
You
start.
tell me when to go.
Okay.
Okay.
And now, to the left, to the right, to the left, and once more. And then we're going to hela, and hela.
Woo! We're doing it!
And ami,
And ami.
and ami,
Oh, yeah.
and ami, and ami.
Oh, that was great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Well, that certainly was an experience. Even young Savannah joined in and gave it a go. But I think we'll leave the traditional dance to the experts. The hula truly is a historical art form that can be admired through symbolic moves, storytelling, and the significance of its people today.